about to go into 390 RK. All the letters and numbers are blurring together, and it's only our 4th RV.
Okay, so first impressions, this rig is gorgeous. Let's check out the kitchen first, since it is in the back. That's what the RK stands for, rear kitchen. Tons of counter space. This cool little eating area. An island. And more storage than even our house kitchen had. Got a split sink. The island has this massive amount of storage underneath, good for big appliances, and outlets on top so you can plug in whatever. Plus it's dishwasher prepped. And this fridge, what? This fridge is massive. It's bigger than any residential fridge I've ever seen in an RV. And the range, full size, 4 burners. That's awesome. Has a range hood. And look, it's real tile. At least it feels real. Look at this huge living area. It comes with these matching opposing couches, but we'll probably take those out because they have a desk option. And then there's also this gorgeous fireplace. Fireplace is definitely on my list. Then these cabinets there's coat closets, broom closet, and then also all of your switches for your slides.
Okay guys, let's talk about this bathroom. First of all, lots of happy buttons that it pushes. Double sinks. It has an outlet with each sink, so there's 4 total plugs in the bathroom. Also double medicine cabinets, like right up here, 1 on each side, 1 for each person. And the shower. The massage shower. When we're plugged into shore power and water, you can bet I will be using that.
Now going on into the bedroom. It is a queen size bed, so there's a lot of extra room on either side.
This closet is practically walk-in. Like, check it out. And like with the Pinnacle, it has space here for books because you know we don't have that many clothes. So we'll definitely be using that more like a bookshelf. It's got the washer dryer cabinet. Plenty of space here. Plenty of room on the floor. Look at that.
And it has this cool little hidden storage area on top of the dresser.
This one definitely ticks off a lot of happy buttons as well. We've got the storage outside, which is massive. The really amazing bathroom, the amazing bedroom, and even room for our offices, which was number 1 on our list to have space to work. There's loads of windows, massive amount of outlets, and if you've watched any of our other rig review videos, you know we are outlet hoarders. We use a lot of power, which is also really cool that now they have the option to add in factory solar. And that is it for the Grand Design Solitude 390 RKR, which means rear kitchen residential fridge, which is also top of my list. I don't like the mirror.
We want to look at our bellies.
After we eat a yummy meal up there.
Belly mirror included at no additional cost.